You know from where my initiative No Peace Without Women came? Also one of the idea. The treaty against non-nuclear proliferation
Mm.
was signed between Gorbachev and Reagan, like between Russia and the US. And it was due, Gorbachev said that it was due to the women movement in the UK. In the UK, there is a small town called Greenham, you can Google it. There was a military base, a nuclear military base, and the women didn't want to have it. So
Mm.
they did a sit in, a peaceful sit in around the base. The military used to go out, take their tent, leave them in the cold. Some of them were tortured, some of them were raped,
Wow.
but they stayed peacefully for 4 years. What happened? They won. The
Uh,
camp was dismantled, and there was this international treaty of non-nuclear arms proliferation signed between Russia and the US. And Gorbachev said that it was due to this movement of women in the UK,
yeah.
Greenham Village. So what I say that even don't feel, you feel you are alone, but slowly, 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 it can have a big impact. You
Mm.
are not alone. You are doing an impact. Never be desperate like, what am I doing? No, no, no. It will have an impact. It was a very small movement in a small town in the UK. And the conclusion was an international treaty on non nuclear arms proliferation. And you can Google it, you will find it. I have my
Wonderful.
friend that told me about my battle that is no peace without women. She told me in France, while the revolution, while World War II, only 1%, less than 1% of the population was defending the country. And
Mm.
finally, they won. They won World War II. You
Yeah.
understand what I mean? Like one
Yes.
person can multiply and do the change. So this is why what I'm hoping to do with No Peace Without Women. Now
Mm.
we have 5,000 signatures, and I'm hoping to arrive to 10,000 signatures to send it to the UN Secretary General for it to become a resolution and it be implemented on all states. So I'm
Yeah.
asking you and asking all the people watching the show to please sign No Peace Without Women. Act for peace now. It's just put your name, your email, sign like this. You have acted for peace. You have said, we need peace. People, humanity needs peace. And
Yeah.
I wanted to tell you why women are important for peace. I witnessed, when I was a UN woman, I was working in a country in war, that is Libya, and we united 40 women from this country in war, and there was blood between them. Like the brother of this one killed the son of the other one, the son of another one killed the father of this one. It was very heavy. 40 women with blood in war, with blood between them.
Wow.
After 2 hours, they were crying, hugging each other, and they decided to do a network for peace for their country. And they worked for the peace of their country for 3 years. They overcame the blood that was between them. This is why I believe in the power of women for peace, and that we need more women. I'm not saying only women. I'm not saying only women. I'm saying women, men, and youth, hand in hand. We need all humanity to be present to have more peace and a more lasting peace for humanity.
Yeah. Wow. Thank you so much for sharing that beautiful and powerful story. Story with evidence, facts that happen, in the earliest moment of life where, seeing your loved one killed by someone else, and now you let all of that, let go all of that, let love to be heal everyone and bring peace back. That's beautiful.